Hi everyone, I am Devajit Banerjee, physical therapist at Peak Performance Sports Rehab, and this is my channel, DJ's Fitness and Rehab. So today I'm going to discuss with you in this video regarding the topic of workstation ergonomics, which is mainly for those who involved in a desk job, especially the computer workers. So I'm going to show you how to maintain a corrective posture at your desk job, and with that I'm going to give you some health tips which will help you to relieve your physical stress. So, extended computer works can lead to fatigue and discomfortness at your shoulder, arms, neck, and at your back, as well as usually who all are working in computer for prolonged period of time with the awkward posture can lead to a musculoskeletal injury. So there is an article published in Journal of Physical Family Medicine and Primary Care on a topic of musculoskeletal problems in frequent computer and internet users. So in that study, they have studied among a participant of 150. Out of their 80% were male. So in that, 67 participants were detected with suffering from musculoskeletal injuries at their shoulder, neck, back, and arms. So I will tell you now how to get rid of this problem.
Faulty posture leads to excessive stress over neck, flattening of lower back, shrugged shoulder, and closer view leads to eye strain. Firstly, adjust the feet height to maintain the feet flat and to maintain the ankle, knee, and hip joint in a 90-degree angle to each other. So nextly, you have to adjust the monitor height. So you can see I have adjusted the monitor height by using my books. So the rule is your eye level should be at the same level of the upper border of the monitor, and the gap between your eye and the monitor should be between 18 to 24 inches.
So if your sit height is low, you can adjust it by placing a folded cloth underneath your buttock and sitting over it. So accordingly you have to adjust your footrest height also. So you can use a lumbar roll, which is a simple towel roll. You can place it at your lower back to prevent your lower back from flattening, like this way. So now you have to adjust your shoulder levels too. Your shoulder levels should be at the same level of your earlobe, and you have to keep remember you should not shrug your shoulders. For this reason, you can use an armrest holder chair.
So your wrist should remain straight while you are typing. It should not deviate inwards or outwards like this way. So the rule is to remain your middle finger in a 180-degree position with your forearm. So similarly with your mouse too, it should not be deviated outwards like this way or inwards like this way. It should remain straight and in 180-degree position with your middle finger. So in side view also, your wrist should remain in a straight level. It should not be extended like this, and it should not be flexed or bent like this. So in this position you can see there is a clawing of fingers too. So it should not be there. So your forearm and hand should be in a 180-degree position.
So here I am going to give you some health tips to prevent your musculoskeletal injury. So after every 30 to 45 minutes of walk, you take a pause of 5 minutes and get up and go out. So here you have to do some simple jobs like walking for 1 minute, slow marches, sideways leg raise, leg extension alternately, alternate arm elevations, arm abductions or sideways elevations. So this is the Namaste method of hand and finger stretch. So here you can see your elbows are goes up and your wrists are touched to each other. So this is a reverse Namaste method. Here elbows will go down.
So here we'll see some easy chair sitting jobs. Firstly, spinal stretches. So this is spinal extension stretch. Here you have to bend your spine backward and you have to push at the end range to form a ballistic stretch. This is spinal sideways stretches. So here you have to bend your spine sideways and similarly push it at the end range to form a ballistic stretch. But this is rotational stretch. Similar way you have to do. This is slow sit marches. This is knee extensions. Now ankle pump, very necessary. With finger clawing. So now I will show you lower lumbar and hip stretch. So in this you have to put one leg over another leg and the opposite hand should hold the knee of this leg and you have to hold the backrest of the chair and move your body to one side and pull your knee to another side. So you have to form a stretch.
So I hope you understand all the exercises properly. Very general, very simple. So you have to do these things 10 reps each and for both the sides. So lastly I'm gonna tell you about eyes training. So continuous looking at your computer screen, tablet or mobile phone screen can lead to an eye straining condition. So in that eye straining you can got headache, burning eyes sensation like that. So how can you get rid from eye straining? So there is a good 20-20-20 rule formed by an Californian optometrist called Jeffrey Amshel. So in this rule I'm going to tell you what you have to do. So 20-20 rule says that you have to take a pause from your continuous looking at your screen after every 20 minutes for 20 seconds, and in that 20 seconds you have to look at an object away from 20 feet from you. So for 20 seconds after each 20 minutes you have to look at an object 20 feet away from you. So this is a 20-20-20 rule which can lead you to release from eye straining. So this is very effective and this is supported by American Optometrist Association and American Academy of Ophthalmology also. You can also get rid from eye straining by reducing your screen glare, using ample amount of room lights, and using eye drops, regular eye checkups, etc. Articles you can follow regarding this whole topic.
So you can go and check this article published in the page of the University of Western Australia on computer workstation ergonomics. So you can also check this article on computer ergonomics, workstation layout and lighting. This is a detailed review. So an electronic copy of this previous publication is available on the Ministry of Labour website at www.labour.government.on.ca. So here is a self-assessment checklist on computer workstation ergonomics formed by National Institute of Health. You can get it on their website.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to thank one of my ex-professor, Mr. Minmoy Tarmukar, to help me out to getting information, gathering information regarding this topic and form the video. So please don't forget to like and share, and those who still not subscribe my channel yet, hit the bell icon fast so to get updated for my following videos. Till then, thank you very much and see you soon. Goodbye.